Here it is, first ever Dutch pour on a marble slab. Check it out, guys. It's a rainbow Dutch pour on a gray background, and that background is a marble slab. Check it out, guys. I am so excited to share this one with you. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you all for being here. Today I'm working on a 18 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas, and I will be doing two techniques. So the first technique I will be doing is a marble technique, but I'm doing like a dirty pour to create this marble background. The cup I'm using right now, it's a 14-ounce cup, and I'll be filling it up to around, let's say, 12 ounce. It's gonna cover this canvas because the paint, it's not that thin, but it does it leaves like a slight mount and disappear into itself. So I'm just doing a dirty pour, starting off with the white, and it's Artist Loft white. The gray is a custom mix, which is black and white by Artist Loft. I just custom mixed that gray. I'm just touching a bit of black as well into this mix. Like I said, guys, this is a dirty pour, and I will be pouring it onto the canvas, stretching it out to create that marble effect. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited, to be honest, to really share this with you. You know, because with that bright colors from the Dutch pour, it really brings out this piece, and I'm so happy with it. So guys, do not go away. I want you to watch it all the way to the end, because of course I will be showing you the dried result. If you're new to my channel, I really want to say welcome. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate all of you guys, all of my new subscribers, all of my returning subscribers. Thank you for checking out my channel. You know, I can't do this without you guys, and it really means a lot to me if you guys could continue giving some great support. You know, giving this video a thumbs up if you do like it, share it with your friends and family. And for my new subscribers, if you haven't, for my new viewers, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. I love to share my great ideas with you. You know, a lot of people are trying to do, you know, the acrylic paint, and sometimes buying the material and buying the stuff is so expensive. So I'm always here trying to show you, you know, ways that you can create, you know, fun pieces. And of course too, guys, you know, all my artwork, they are available for purchase. If you're interested, you know, you can always find my information in the description box below. You can email me at camilleamoy@gmail.com, or you can find me on Instagram. Send me a direct message at camille.amoy.art. So thank you so much for checking it out, guys, and stay tuned for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result coming up. So you guys do not go away. And I do want to mention too that for this tilt I'm doing right now, when everything is all over, I do clean the sides of the canvas. I didn't do it on the camera, but I did clean and make sure that everything is all nice and clean. And you know, it's very important that you guys do that. You know, take your popsicle stick, fill in all that empty space that's going to be showing on the canvas before it's dry. You guys can do that. You can get drippings off the table and just fill it all in. Like how I have some empty space there, that's what I did. I went in and fill in the spaces. Okay, so just a little tip I want to share with you guys, that you can always do that. So stay tuned, guys, do not go away. See you at the end. Before I go, I just want to mention too that there's no silicone oil in this. I know sometimes when people are doing the marble slab technique or stone technique, they do add silicone oil. I didn't add any in this technique, today's video, because you know, I just didn't want it to ruin. I'm just trying not to use silicone oil at all in my paintings as much as I can. But I'm just telling you guys that there's none in here. When you saw me torching earlier, it was just to, pop some air bubbles and stuff like that, just to get rid of the air from the paint. That's it. Stay tuned, and yeah, just check it out, guys, all the way to the end. Thank you. Alrighty, let's check it out. The close-up of the wet result. I am so in love with it, guys. I mean, I do love the background. I know you guys must be wondering, oh my gosh, what is she doing? Why is she spoiling that beautiful, you know, marble slab looking painting? Like, why? But I just wanted to use that as a background for this Dutch pour, and I'm happy with it. Instead of using the white all the time or a black base or a solid color base, I just wanted to do a dirty pour, create a beautiful background, and then put this Dutch pour rainbow colors on it, and I'm loving it. The colors blended well. I can see my blue and my purple. All the colors are just showing really well. It's a remarkable piece, guys, and I'm so in love with it. Let me know what you guys have to say about this one in the comment section below. And of course, here it is, all dried, and it's hanging on my wall, and it dried well. The colors stayed vibrant. I'm loving it. And yes, guys, I use all Artist Loft paint in today's video, even the colors for the rainbow. I will be listing the names in the description box below. And yeah, it dried well. It's just a beautiful piece. Not a lot of cells in this. I didn't really care too much for that. I just wanted to experiment here, get a beautiful background, so it worked out beautiful, and I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys have to say about this one in the comment section below. If you would like to see me do more of this painting, different colors, background with different Dutch pour, that's my idea. That's what I want to do some more of. So let me know if you guys want to see more, what color combination you would love for me to try. And of course, check out my playlist, guys, and I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.